Sean J. Mitchell, Deputy Superintendent of Police.
Sir Mitchell, we have an incident this morning where a lady was fatally stabbed in the Negril bus park. What can you tell us about that, sir?
Right, so shortly after 6 a.m. this morning, the police received a report of an incident at the Negril Transportation Centre. On arrival, the police observed a female suffering from stab wounds. The police immediately summoned the Negril paramedics who responded and assisted. However, the paramedics were unable to save the life of this person. The investigations have so far revealed that the person who has been identified as Sandra Hazley, who is 51 years old of Burn Savannah in Westmoreland, was fatally stabbed. She was reportedly robbed during an attack at the back of the transportation center and her bag stolen. The police have so far been able to process the scene and look at several different angles. We're following several leads at this time, and we believe that with the help of citizens, we'll be able to crack this case. We're advising citizens or anybody who may have information about this incident to contact the police at 311 or the nearest police station.